That's a great topic. Here is a detailed, straight-to-the-point script, focusing on a first-person perspective, educational content, and the specific structural requirements you outlined. Lightbulb setting up Venmo for freelancers. Are you a freelancer tired of awkward payment conversations and wondering, am I even setting up Venmo right for my business? If that's you, then you already know the pain of trying to separate business income from personal cash on an app designed for splitting a dinner check. I've been there, and I want to share the best way I've found to manage this and avoid headaches down the road, especially come tax time. The first critical step, business versus personal. The absolute best practice here is to keep it separate. Yes, Venmo can be used for both, but the simplest setup involves treating your Venmo account like a business account, or even better, creating a completely separate business account if you process a high volume of payments. For low volume / starting out, treat your existing profile as your business account for now. This means your profile name, picture, and defaults are professional. For high volume / growth, open a separate, dedicated business bank account and link it exclusively to a new or existing Venmo profile designated for work. This is the cleanest option for bookkeeping. Setting up your profile for success. Your Venmo profile needs to signal professionalism to your clients. Professional profile picture, use a current photo of your face, or, if you have one, your business logo. Avoid blurry photos, group shots, or anything too casual. Display name is key. Your display name should clearly show who is receiving the payment. Use your full name, or your business name, for example, Jane Doe, Freelance Writer, or Creative Solutions, LLC. This builds immediate trust. Privacy defaults. Immediately change your default setting for payments from public to private. Client transactions are confidential. You don't want every client payment showing up in a public feed for anyone to see. The two major gotchas, fees and taxes. This is where freelancers mess up the most. 1. The service fee. Venmo is free for standard personal transactions. However, if a client sends a payment using their credit card or marks it as a purchase of goods or services, Venmo charges the sender a standard transaction fee, typically 3%. Or the receiver a standard seller transaction fee, typically 1.9% plus 10 cents of the payment amount. If you use a business profile, you, the receiver, will be charged this fee. The rule I follow: always ask clients to send money directly from their bank account or Venmo balance, and state clearly that you prefer they do not mark it as goods and services to keep the payment clean and fee-free on both ends, if possible. If they insist on using a credit card, you may need to adjust your invoices to cover the fee. 2. Tax reporting. $1,099 when you receive over a certain threshold, currently $600 for goods / services payments in most jurisdictions. Venmo may send you and the IRS a Form 1099-K. If your clients consistently mark payments as goods and services, you will trigger this filing. Using a designated business profile makes this tracking easier. Just be prepared to include all Venmo income in your annual tax filings. Best practice workflow. To get paid cleanly and quickly. Invoice. Send a formal invoice before the payment, stating the total due. Provide handle. Give your client your full Venmo handle, e.g., at your name, and your full display name so they know they are paying the right person. Instructions. Include simple, polite instructions. Please send payment via Venmo to at your name. If you prefer they don't use the goods and services toggle, you can add, please ensure the payment is sent from your Venmo balance or bank account. Transfer out. As soon as a business payment hits your Venmo, immediately transfer it to your linked business bank account. This keeps the Venmo balance near zero and simplifies your bookkeeping. Following these steps ensures you're set up professionally, transparently, and, most importantly, ready for tax season. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.